Please. Sonova got nasty. Oof. Yeah, but not too bad. This is the October low right here, still above that 30.24. So it's still relatively bullish as long as it stays above the 30.24. I mean, it looks absolutely horrendous. Don't get me wrong, but we are above that last like major low. And when we came down to try to test, but we bounced right here. We found support from the 5th opposed to the low, which was on the 6th. So let's see what happens this morning and for this upcoming week. If we can get above the 34.16, I start get excited. Above the 35.48, I'd be a buyer. MSEX water. I don't see anything wrong with it. I just see it's I don't see anything good with it either, right? Monday we looking good, looking like we'd probably retest the 110, but then the rest of the market just kind of went kaplop on everybody. I'd be interested above the 104.18. Yeah, Brookfield Renewable Partners, trash. Wait a minute now. We have got to do this. Boom. Now, when you look at it from here, here's my nice little pop and a drop. You look at it right there, we're pretty close to a target of 33.41. Let's go back one to here. And if you see from here to here, we actually closed 2 cents above the 127 extension. So we are basically out. We hit a target. Next target, if it keeps rolling, would be 32.13. Republic Services looking good as always. I don't even need to look at it because I already know it's doing good. It could be doing better, right? Because this is what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday we were trying to break out of that 38, and come Tuesday or Monday again, we're back at the 35. So we're down 3 points, but comparatively speaking, we're fine. We're right at some support, looking to try to take out that 138. AES bouncing right off of one of the lines that we drew. If you want to be aggressive, I'd get in right here with a known target of getting out of 23.57. Anything below 23.57, I'd be out. NRG, you see we're starting to get into a squeeze. We're slowly but surely getting a little bit higher. Here's the low, a lower high, or a higher high, a higher low, and a higher, kind of higher high. And then we had a chance to break down low again, and we are slightly higher. So if that's the case, this looks like we would be poised to close this gap around 39, but I would like to see it stay above 36.78 first. IDACorp. Let's go ahead and do this. That's kind of what I figured. We're right around the 50%. We broke it, but then, we couldn't really. 2 days later, we're back above it, and then come Friday, it looks like we held it, and we held the 618, which is nice as well. Looking to continue higher from here. Okay, I like this one. Anything above 171.34, I am a buyer. We are in a squeeze. Momentum looked like it was starting to lose, like momentum was starting to head down, but lo and behold, We had a nasty day, but I mean, we were down 160. I mean, that was a 4-point nasty day. The rest of the day is going down, and American Water is having a pretty nice day. DTE. If you're a gambler, anything above 111.65, I would go, but I would like to see it get above the 112. Hold the 112, like actually hold it before I'd be interested. But just remember, we got dividend coming out pretty soon. DUK Energy decided it wanted to do a little something. We double bottom. Yep. Basically almost a perfect double bottom. 2 days later, a huge rip. Anything above 99.57, I am a buyer. Kind of same thing I said over here. So just kind of look at what it did over here, and I would almost expect it to basically do the same thing.